देखो वेरी वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. व्हाट इज दिस गाइस? कैन यू सी? दिस इज एक्चुअली द egg yolk appearance. This is the egg yolk appearance. Egg yolk appearance is found in the Best disease. It is found in the Best disease. And what is the best test for the Best disease? Very very important PYQ, मतलब most popular है ये. What is the investigation of choice? It is the EOG. Best test for the Best disease is actually the EOG. और ये क्या है? This is the very very typical. This is the beaten bronze appearance. This is actually the beaten bronze appearance. Beaten bronze appearance is found in cases of the Stargardt disease. This is found in cases of Stargardt disease. Now, what is the investigation of choice here? Investigation of choice in the Best disease was the EOG, while the investigation of choice here is actually FFA. ये देखो, another important question. The investigation of choice पर भी एक question आ सकता है, because there are so many tests that you are doing in cases of retina. It is actually the FFA. And what is the sign that you get? This is called as dark choroid or the silent choroid. And this question came in actually AIMS 2017. You are going to get the dark choroid or the silent choroid. ठीक है ना? Do macular dystrophy is very very important. You can see. Then see this. This is actually metamorphopsia. You can see the distortion of the forest. Movies में हमेशा ऐसा ही दिखाते हैं ना, ऐसा घूमता हुआ. That is actually metamorphopsia. See, again, mathematical of the. There can be diminution of vision. There can be loss of vision. There can be blurred vision. There can be blurred vision. There can be distorted vision. There can be distorted vision. These are all different. These are all different. Diminution of vision. Diminution of vision means either I'm going to have cataract or glaucoma. Cataract or glaucoma. Loss of vision, retinal detachment. Or we can have the CRAO, CRVO. So you are going to have this. ठीक है? Blurring of vision, corneal edema. Blurring of vision, corneal edema. Distorted मतलब macular disease. So actually, you know, ophtha is very very technical, therefore it is very scoring and very very mathematical. Simple go. Diminution of vision है, distortion of vision है, blurring of vision है, loss of vision है, macular pathology है, vitreous pathology है, floaters है, या फिर distortion है. You have to go something like this. Okay, be very very clear. Right. Now I am telling you how to read a OCT, because certain diseases required OCT. Certain diseases required OCT. So let us see how to read a OCT. See, this is a normal OCT guys, and everybody just in fractions will know how to read a OCT. I hope sir भी देख रहे हैं and help करेंगे how to read a OCT. ये देखो, जो red वाला है, this is actually the RPE layer. This is the RPE layer, and green is the neurosensory retina. This is the neurosensory retina. We know retina consists of two layers. One is the RPE and remaining 9 layers are present in the neurosensory retina, having a gap in the middle. So this gap is called as a subretinal space. This is called as a subretinal space. And subretinal space में होता है subretinal fluid. ठीक है, ये simple है. Subretinal space में subretinal fluid, एक RPE layer है. Then we have a neurosensory retina having what in the center? Subretinal space, black वाला, जिसमें क्या होगा? Subretinal fluid. Now you can see this gap here. This is called as foveal depression. This is called as the foveal depression. So this depression, why there is a depression? How many layers were there in the macula? We were having 10 layers in the macula, but fovea में there are only 6 layers, and the center of the fovea है, there we have only 5 layers. Therefore we have the depression here. Therefore we know that this area is a macula. Macula means all the 10 layers. So this area is a macula. So based on this, so see this. अभी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग आया है, अभी तो पजल करने की बारी आई है. See this. So this red is the RPE layer. This red is RPE layer. This is the neurosensory retina, and this is a foveal depression. Now once I know that this is a foveal depression, this area is a macula. Now can you see guys, what is this? You can see this detachment in the macular area. Because we are having the detachment in the macular area, therefore this is CSR. CSR मतलब business executive. CEO. If you are having CEO of the company, CFO of the company, business executive. क्या बताया था मैंने? If the person is having 20 to 50 years of age, male, एंड टाइप ए पर्सनैलिटी. टाइप ए पर्सनैलिटी. टाइप ए पर्सनैलिटी क्या होता है? वी हैव हरी, वरी एंड करी. दोज हु आर ऑलवेज इन हरी, डूइंग लॉट ऑफ वरी एंड टेकिंग लॉट ऑफ करी along with three S में we have stress, we have steroids and we have got the smoking. ये सब मिलकर क्या बना देता है? ये सब मिलकर बना देता है बिजनेस एग्जीक्यूटिव. मतलब CSR इज इक्वल टू बिजनेस एग्जीक्यूटिव. सो बिजनेस एग्जीक्यूटिव में whenever you are having the sudden loss of vision and you are getting this kind of thing, then it is actually CSR. ये देखो, beautiful. What is the investigation of choice? Investigation of choice is FFA. ये क्या है? Beautiful mushroom. So you can get a mushroom pattern. Investigation of choice में beautiful mushroom pattern मिल सकता है. या फिर what other thing you can get? The beautiful another one, ink blot pattern. Either you can get the mushroom pattern or you can get the ink blot pattern. Treatment क्या करना है? So the treatment what you have to do is just wait and watch. You have to do just wait and watch because there is spontaneous resolution in 4 to 12 weeks. Spontaneous resolution in 4 to 12 weeks. अब ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. एक बंदा आता है हाई प्रोफाइल का या बिजनेस एग्जीक्यूटिव, ही हैज लॉट ऑफ मनी, सीईओ है, सीएफओ है, यू आर अंडरगोइंग एफएफए, ओसीटी, एवरीथिंग, एंड देन वी से कि जस्ट वेट एंड योर एवरीथिंग विल बी रिजॉल्व. क्योंकि आजकल क्या होता है कि इफ यू आर गेटिंग एनीथिंग in the report, then they are happy, and if you do not get anything report, they are angry. Then why did we get the report? They actually want that something should come in the report. But here the thing is that you get something in the report, and then also we are asking him to wait and watch for spontaneous resolution.